Welcome back to the No Limit Crypto channel, a channel where I bring you daily trading updates. I'm trying to find the best trading opportunities for you every single day. If you find something in this video helpful for your own trading, please consider liking and subscribing. That helps me a lot. Today we're going to look at Doge. Everyone who hates Doge, please don't click away from the video. I'm here for the money. I'm not here for the product. If you believe in Doge, amazing for you. Personally, I don't really know. I it might be a good coin, but yeah, I'm just here for the money right now and see what the future brings. So there's this nice wedge pattern forming right here. And to me, what this wedge pattern tells is that something is going to happen really soon. We can see on the chart right here. In the next 4 to 5 days, it's going to break out. And what I'm looking for right now is for it to break upwards. If it breaks upwards, I'm gonna be in the trade. If it breaks downwards, I'm actually not going to be in the trade, and I'm going to be explaining to you why. This is not a channel where we only go up. We try to make money if the market goes up and if the market goes down. But for this particular trade, we're looking for it to break up. And the simple way that I look at it is the 200-day moving average. So if we are above the 200-day moving average, I am expecting the market to go up. The market is in a uptrend. And we don't trade reversals, or I don't trade reversals. If you want to trade them, you go ahead. There is some big opportunities out there to trade these reversals. But it's my personal preference to stay out of the market if this goes down. And there's some simple opportunities in the past here to that I have looked at just as examples. We're under the 200-day moving average right here. We're looking for support lines to break. And right here we had a nice support line. Bam, it broke. A big move downwards. And I'm not saying that we're gonna catch, the whole 33% of the move right here or right here. I'm not expecting to catch the whole move. That's not the point. We're looking for small trades that often, that racks up, But obviously this is not going to work always. Like there's no strategy in this world. If someone's selling you a strategy that works 100% of the time, that doesn't exist. So obviously this is not always going to work. But a really simple rule to follow that I've always followed and I still follow is the 200-day moving average. It's a really good indicator on what is going to happen, where the market is going right now in the shorter term. And right here, when the market crosses the 200-day moving average, this is where we start look for, resistance lines to break. And if we go back to this wedge, so after me explaining all of this, why would I draw this trend line right here if I'm not even looking for, the breakdown? The reason why I like drawing these lines and these patterns is to see maybe like a time period when something is going to happen. This wakes me up. I need to be here. I need to look at this chart. I need to be ready. Maybe put an alert on some breakouts. And that it's that simple. So I don't really care that much about like the pattern in itself. It's nice. There's a wedge pattern. Maybe it usually breaks out to the upside 55% of the time. Maybe it's 60, even 70. Who knows? I don't care. That's totally irrelevant for me. I'm only looking for the breakout. And if you're conservative, you might look for the breakout, the retest, and then going up. Breakout, retest, bam. that's personal preference, you know how aggressive you are going to be. Personally, in these sloping lines, I don't like waiting for the retest. That's my preference. But if we're looking for, you know, for example, a resistance line to break up here, if it's a horizontal line, I like to wait for a breakout, a retest, and then get into the trade. But you know, it's personal preference. Everything works. You know, you just gotta find a nice strategy that works for you. So let's take a look at the target of this wedge. You know, these targets, they are just there to, you know, maybe give you a hint of what might happen. So let's take a look at the target. Take it from the bottom of the wedge to the upper side of the wedge, and let's see where we're going to go. I'm gonna take away this line right here. It doesn't make any difference for me right now. So if we break to the upside, you know, the target of the wedge takes us to around 40 cents. You know, that's nice. It's going to be, quick maths in my head, 40%, something like that. Yeah, a nice 40% move to the upside with the right leverage. That could make you a lot of money. But obviously, this is not financial advice, and it's Dogecoin. You know, be careful out there. You know, Dogecoin it's a scary one. You know, but it gives you a lot of nice opportunities to make big trades. So if we look to break to the downside, we're going to see that it's aligning up nicely with this support line down here. And this is a major support. You know, once, twice, three times we've tested the support here. So, you know, if it breaks to the downside, start looking for some other opportunities. If you are a crazy person, in my opinion, and you look to trade this breakdown, so be it. You know, please tell me if you made a lot of money. You know, I'm happy for you, but I'm gonna stay on the sidelines. If you found anything in this video helpful, you know, please consider liking and subscribing. As I said in the start of the video, helps me a lot. Peace out, stay safe, good luck.